Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can remove text box in your Microsoft Word document. So let's go quick into it. So I have this document and I have this text box. Now how can we remove this text box without removing these letters or this word? Now we can simply do that. So you just need to click on the shape. You need to make a right click and here you will find this option format shape. Click on that. Here you will find shape options. You have the fill and the line. Click on the fill and simply choose no fill. Also for the line, simply choose no line. And then you have to close this. And that's it. You have just removed the text box without removing the words on the or inside the text box. So as easy as that, and then you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.